I wanted to show you this RV safe because I think it is really, it's a slamming little item. It's not very big, of course, neither are RVs. It's designed very specifically to fit into a closet, and this is coat hanger depth. So if that should give you a pretty good idea. It is 14 inches from front to back. So let me check it with the dial and everything. It's 15.5 inches. It's 20 inches tall. It is 7 inches wide. Yes, it is small. It's not a high security box, but darned if we haven't had a lot of luck with these in RVs, because you can bolt this thing down underneath, and you can bolt it to a wall. Now underneath it's got drill holes. In the back, have to drill your own, but it isn't rocket science. And if you're not allowed to drill holes, let's say you're renting the RV, we have a really snappy cable system that works here. So this is, let me show you, so much for the outside. Great paint job. It's stealthy, but what the heck. This is actually an excellent lock. This is the same lock that's used on many safes that go into the thousands and thousands of dollars, but since dependability is important, I'm going to put in the factory code here and open it up, turn the little handle, and let's get this guy open. Door opens over 180 degrees. It has a, let me see, 3 shelves on the inside, easily fit my iPhone. Oh, and there's other stuff here which we're going to talk about. I think we can get rid of the gel. So this thing, it will actually hold an 18-inch laptop, I believe. And well, they say 18. I guess it would, but I had a 17 and I tried it on this, and it was perfect. And it felt pretty good. You just stand it up here. Now, what's kind of cool about that is at the same time, you can run a cord through this. You can run a cord right through the back here, plug in your laptop and charge it while it's on the inside. You go, oh, it's safe with holes in it? I know that's a little odd, but they're put back here in a place where it won't do you much good with a hole on this. It comes with, this is good, it comes with some bolt-down screws that they'll do the job. They look pretty good. And for places that you just, let's say you got it in the back of your car or something, or you just can't bolt it down with this little guy. So you can either wrap this around something, or you can shove both of them in there, and it has a carabiner hook on the inside that works really well. So what you do, you just push it through the hole, and then you go in and you click the carabiner, and it is it's a coated material, so it won't scratch anything you put it around, but you put it around the trunk hinge or something, you're going to have a frustrating setup for somebody that's coming in to give you a burglary. But it's really to help if you're camping, keep a pistol or two away from the kids, you know, entertainment, you know, the booze, you charge your laptop, whatever you want to do. It's a smashing little safe. It does a really great job. It can be hooked in, bolted down. I almost don't know what more to say about it. It's simple. You can reprogram this lock, so you put in your own personal code. The battery is replaceable from outside of the safe. Like I said, it's not a toy. It's got a real lock in it. It's not so prone to failure. You're going to need a key override or anything. So this thing really dials it in. And I think you'll be pleased with this. Feel free to call us to get the current pricing, because it is likely to change over time. I think right now it's about just under $300, I think, but that can change. But go to our website, call one of our representatives, and they'll be happy to talk to you about this or any of our other products. Thank you very much.